Welcome to SSB Doubts. Understand the PPDT and TAT by examples. Example. Observe the picture
carefully. Pause the video and make your story. High-level idea. Ram was recently appointed as a manager of a resort located near a lake. He saw that the place had many attractions, yet visitor numbers were small and revenue was less than could be potentially earned. He presented a business model to his management, which could increase revenue so that they could continue to operate. He first brought changes to the infrastructure and other basic amenities, then invited some people to visit with a promotion scheme. He took them around the place and once he assessed their response, he announced more discounts, which attracted more visitors. With this strategy, he increased the company's revenue. Qualities demonstrated: good reasoning skills, difficult level of problem solving, responsible, determined, and making appropriate decisions. Story 2. Average level idea. Ram was an environmental science student doing a PG course. He noticed that the river flowing nearby his town, which was the only source of drinking water and for crop irrigation, was getting polluted by industrial waste. He wanted to save the river, so he gathered his team and went to study the pollution levels. They collected samples and did testing at their lab. The final results were compiled and submitted to the college authority. This then helped the government to take necessary action to resolve the problem. Qualities demonstrated: social concern, average level of problem solving, responsible, determined, helping others.
Thanks, subscribe and keep watching for such videos. If you have any doubts regarding SSB interview,
then visit the playlist section.
Join us on other social platforms, link in bio.